and repair.
Hey, Travis Demers here. If you're in pain, maybe you had a recent car accident, maybe just lingering pain like I have, any neck pain, back pain, numbness, any of that, Vancouver Disc Center is the best in the Northwest. They specialize in neck and back pain relief without surgery. Right now, dial pound 250.
You can use that towards anything. Like I train, and when I train with people who are...
Right now, get your instant...
Maintenance мне понадобится. И когда люди будут сравнивать потенциальные проблемы, в которые...
Get full details on the example part.
Be smart. Go to spill-kit.com to learn which products can best protect you and your...
Glass door candidates are twice as likely to be hired than those from traditional sites, and they're 30% more likely to... Your free trial today. Glassdoor. Hire the right fit for your business.
Hey, Fall's here. So is the